YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Joseph and welcome back to the channel once again. And y'all already know, man, I got some more heat. As always, I stay with the heat. But I want to discuss something real quick. So I do have a giveaway coming at 200 subs. Y'all, we have been at 197 and lost a sub, then gained one back and lost it again. Get me to 200 subs so I can do this giveaway, please. I'm begging you, please. But there's going to be 3 winners. One winner is going to get a pair of shoes. Another winner is going to get a gift card, like a Visa gift card where you can spend it anywhere. And then the third winner is going to get one of these Jones's shirts. And I made this myself. I think it's pretty dope. If you think it's dope, leave a comment. Also, if you haven't already, drop a like on this video. But yeah, so that's going to be the giveaway. What you're going to have to do is you're definitely got to be subscribed to my channel. And then I'm probably gonna have you follow me on Instagram and then DM me proof that you're subscribed so I can keep track of a list. But anyways, let's get into the shoes, man. So, you know today's a good day because we're about to be unboxing some 4s. So, y'all know I'm starting to dig 4s more and more. And I just finally got my second pair and I'm super hyped for this shoe. Like super hyped. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Let's bring it in. It's a nasty colorway. I've wanted it for a little while. And I could have got it a little while back, but I wanted to get other stuff. And now I'm running out of options, and this was one of them. I was like, yo, let me go ahead and cop. So I went ahead and copped these. And let's get the box open, because y'all are gonna like this shoe. I know it. I can't wait for y'all to see it. Goodness gracious, getting these boxes open kill me. But open it up and off rip. Y'all already know what time it is, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop that in there. We got that regular black paper. And some more black paper. And then we got the heat, baby. Oh my goodness. Hey, somebody turn the AC on for real, because it's hot. It's real hot by this box. Well, let's go ahead and pull the shoe out. And y'all see it, man. We got them Cactus Jack 4s. And these are just so nasty. This colorway is ridiculous. So the colorway is based off, I think it was the Houston Oilers, which is they used to be a football team, and the colors that they had are just nasty, and this put together is just nuts. Like, so let's go over some of the details on the shoe. So it comes with this hang tag, and the shoe, it's not the regular hang tag that comes with the shoe. So it's got like the fabric of the shoe. It says Cactus Jack in black, and then on the other side it has the Jordan logo in black. But the shoe is like a suede nubuck all around in blue. And then it's got the black cage right here with some black, like eyelets, I guess you would call these. I don't really know what these are called. Or wings. Yeah, I think they're called wings. But they're black and blue splatter paint wings. And then we got a black tongue liner with a blue tongue and then a silver logo. And then it says Travis Scott on the tongue in here. And then it's got this red sock liner, which is just, I think it makes the shoe pop so much. That red sock liner. And on the back, we got the heel tab that says Cactus Jack with some black and blue splatter paint. And it's just a nasty, nasty colorway. We got the black sole with the white right here. And then it's got like a red air bubble inside of it. Like it's clear, and then you see like the red air inside of it. But this shoe is just crazy. I can already think of so much I'm gonna wear with it. It also comes with these like waxy laces. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're like wax black laces, and it's kind of weird. It's different, but I know it's supposed to be like that. But it's just a sick colorway, and I honestly cannot wait to wear these because I have so much stuff, and I've been making shirts lately. Like this one, I don't think I'll be wearing this one with this, but I've been making shirts like this lately, and they're just like my own custom shirt. And I got a shirt planned out that I'm gonna make for these already. But let's go ahead and pull the other shoe out the box. And so I had these for a couple days, and I've already tried them on, looked at them in the mirror, and y'all, let me tell you, I gotta start being more careful because I be trying my shoes on, and like I'm so used to Vans where I don't care if they get scuffs or anything. I'll be trying my shoes on, and I'll put them on, and I be kicking the wall by accident, like the corner to the door. I kick it all the time. I kicked it in my last pair of 4s, and maybe it's just a 4s thing. I kicked it in my last pair of 4s and it chipped the paint, but I have a scuff on these like right in the front where I freaking kicked the wall right there. But it's whatever. But on this shoe, we got the Air Jordan logo in blue. So that's pretty neat. It's different. And also on the back, we got a red Jordan logo. But this colorway is just nasty. Like, I'm starting to love 4s more and more. Like, I feel like it's the perfect shoe for me. Like, you know how everyone has that one like style of retro that they like that looks good on them? Well, I'm starting to find out that the 4s are probably my shoe. And the more I wear them, the more comfortable they get, the more outfits I have for them, the better they start to look. And I'm just excited. Like, I'm glad I have them. And this was a grail. Like, I had always seen these. Fun fact, actually, the most recent pair I saw was when the Jabberwockies were in the Baby's music video and they were dancing in the 4s. And every time I see it, I just think like, yo, I need to get those 4s. And I always thought that. And I just kept pushing them off. I don't know what I was thinking, like pushing them off. And I got the 6s first. I don't think that was the best idea. I should have got these first. But I got the 6s first. And I'm like, man, like I'm just starting to run out of shoes now. And these weren't that expensive. Like compared to a lot of the other shoes, they're expensive, but they're not that bad. So I got them and I was like, definitely don't regret it. It's probably my favorite shoe. Nah, that's a tough one. It's probably between my Raptor 4s, these, my Unions, and my Kyries. Those Kyries are just nasty. Like I love those shoes so much. But these are up there. These are top 5, as you can tell. They're top 5, and I don't know. These are the babies right now. I'm digging them. I love the suede on them. The nubuck is nice and alive, and it just looks good. That's another thing. Like I love suede shoes, where you can just like put your hands all over them and they'll start changing color and stuff. I like that. That's dope. But it's the only pair of shoes we got for the video today, man. If you haven't already, hit that like button once again. Leave a comment, talk to your boy. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to the channel, hit that sub button because I've always got heat unboxing reviews. And you know, we're gonna stay with the heat. I got another nice video coming out soon, but let's go ahead and please, let's get to 200 subs so I can get this giveaway over with, and we can move on to the next one, because the next giveaway is going to be a real good one. Like the winner of that is going to be very happy. But anyways, man, I told y'all I stay dripped out. I thank y'all. Go ahead, get me to 200 subs. And if you subbed already, I appreciate you. But as always, I'm dripped out. It's your boy Joneses. Peep the t-shirt and then the Cactus Jack 4s, and I'm out.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Heard the voicemail and she done lost it. Hear the silence, hear the water from the faucet. 1, 2, 3, we lasted longer than an auction. Thought I sold it, but it ain't no way she bought it. Time to fill up the wood.